So for under one brand itself, we'll be having n number of mutual funds. We'll be seeing that. Okay. And how to actually, for each of them, right? We'll be having different fund managers. For this one, you'll be having a different fund manager. Okay. For this one, like that, each one will be having a different fund manager. Okay. So when you're looking at a particular company, what are the things that you'll be looking at? Okay. Normally people only look at the numbers, but you also have to look at the fund manager. The reason why I brought this guy here is because when you're looking at a particular company or a particular mutual fund, it's not necessary that, okay, only the data has to be looked at. You have to look at the fund manager also. Who is a fund manager? What is his track record? Okay. Because this particular person will be moving from one, maybe from SBI to HDFC to other company also. Okay. So the whole skill set, how this particular fund is being performed, majorly depends on the fund manager, because he is the one who is actually selecting the stocks, putting the right stocks here and shuffling it whenever there's a required, and so on. So when a particular fund is actually doing a great job, it means that his expertise is actually playing a huge role on that. Guys, got the clarity? Yeah, getting the clarity, guys? Type in, see in the chat box, type in clear in the chat box. Perfect. Okay. So when it comes to fund management, okay, when it comes to mutual funds, okay, so is it risky? If it is risky, I told you that's a risk involved in it. So how far is the risk? Okay, there are different types of risk levels. Low risk, medium risk, high risk, very high risk. Okay, I would categorize the risk level into 4. Okay, so how should I actually determine that? Okay, I have to choose companies within this particular range. Everybody has a risk level, correct? Everybody knows that, okay, I'm a low risk guy, I'm a high risk guy, I'm ready to actually take a huge amount of risk. Like that, you will be knowing it. Okay, so for a low risk, how much is the return that you can expect? What is the return that a person can expect being in a low risk level? Okay, I would say that when you're in low risk, you can expect between 10 to 12%. Medium risk level, okay, I would say 12 to 14. High, something around 14 to 16. Then very high, you can range something around 20. Okay, 16 and above, you can expect even 20%, okay, return per annum. This is per annum. Now that people are into trading, don't think that, okay, it's per month or so. Okay, everything is per annum. Okay, so per annum, okay, when you are actually taking this kind of risk, mutual funds, we have thousands and thousands of mutual funds. Okay, when you want to choose, okay, I am a low risk guy, it means that, okay, you will be taking this particular category of mutual funds and you can expect this particular return. I'm telling you the return so that your expectation accordingly, right? Based on your risk level, your expectation should also match. You cannot expect this much return from mutual fund for a low risk. May not be possible. Yeah, getting the clarity, guys? This is a risk. Can we make 25% CAGR in mutual funds? Not many have made in mutual funds. Okay, so I'm saying like that is what you will come under very high risk category. Okay, I'll be showing you some of the mutual funds also. I'll give you examples. Okay, I'll show you some of the mutual funds where I have invested also. Okay, so I've invested most of them in here in very high. Okay, so 20s, you can expect an average of 20. Okay, that itself on a higher end, by the way. Ashish, that itself on a higher end. Okay, above that, like CAGR, I'm saying 1 year it can happen. Some of the years, some mutual funds have given 40-50% also. Okay, but is it happening continuously every single year? No, that's not happen every single year. Over a period of CAGR, is what I'm saying. Okay, guys, this one I'm saying based on the mutual fund being there for last 10 years. Last 10 years on an average, it has given 12% or 14%, 15% like that. Okay, average I'm saying. So CAGR, that's what I'm talking about here. So this is a risk level and corresponding return. Slightly here and there some changes will happen, but this is what we can expect. Yeah. So this is the mutual fund risk levels.